Fairy draft again. This one we're going to show you the telephone pole squeeze, shoulder squeeze. So I'll show you from this way. And it's just the old style telephone pole. So you're keeping your knees extra soft, or maybe not. Maybe they're just a little bit soft, but I like a little bit of a squat. And you're going to get your elbows together to get that 90-degree bend. Then bring them out, just like the old style telephone pole. And then they just squeeze out as you squeeze your shoulder blades together. So it's pulling it back and bringing it forward. Simple as that. It's only like a 30-degree motion horizontally, like that. So from the front, it's just here, like a little bit forward, and then back past your shoulders. That's the whole motion right there, the telephone pole squeeze. Then the chair step back, a little bit more difficult, and you can totally skip this one if you've got any kind of knee issues. It's getting into just a real modified, easy chair yoga pose where you've got your hands straight out from your shoulders, you're bending your knees, you're flexing your hips, and then maybe they're raised a little bit, or maybe they're just straight out, or maybe they're just held at your chest. But either way, you're shifting your weight from side to side and stepping back with the opposite foot. So say we're starting on the left side, push all your weight to the left foot, step back with the right, and everything just stays the same down here. And keeping your core tight, and then step back in and switch your sides. So you're just switching left to right, alternating your weight, and maybe you've got your arms engaged out here. Maybe you're engaging your shoulders by bringing your hands up over your head. Either way, you're pulling your belly button in toward your spine, keeping the core extra tight. Everything's engaged. Or maybe you've just got some things engaged, like you're keeping your hands right at your chest. You get to decide. All right? So that's that one.